Following portion of Daytime Tri-Cities is sponsored by Evans & Evans Real Estate.
Once again, it is time for Real Estate Today by our friends at Evans & Evans Real Estate. Today I'm joined by Karen Jenkins. And Karen, we've been talking about the housing market over and over and over. Kind of give us an update on what's going on with the housing market here in the Tri-Cities.
Right. When people know you are a realtor and you see them out, they're like, how's the market? That's the number one question we get. So we are going to say that the market is softening just a bit. So, for instance, I listed a really hot property last weekend. I only got 5 offers in the first 24 hours.
Whereas you would have got 20 before.
Earlier this year, we'd have gotten 20 and over asking price. So we're still seeing low inventory, high demand with those people moving in from out of town. So it's still a hot market, but it's not the craziness that we had in the summer. So.
And I know a lot of folks are trying to look into their crystal ball and figure out what's going to go with what's going to happen in the future. You want to assure everybody we're not in a bubble that's just going to blow up in everybody's face.
Right. Everyone looks back at history when we had the housing market bubble burst, and there was a lot of factors that played into that. But economists tell me that here we're not in a bubble, that we were an undervalued market before. We always knew the value of the Tri-Cities, of course.
Always.
But people undervalued this market, so our prices weren't quite as high as they should have been. But now that more people are moving in and seeing the value, we are on what they're calling a correction. So the prices are coming up, correcting themselves to where they should have been and where they're, more like other places around the country. But we're not going to burst. We may level off, but these prices aren't going to drop.
But when you look at the license plates that we see coming in, we see New York, we see California, we see both ends of the country, folks want to live here.
They certainly do, and we still have people coming in. And the good news is, just from hearing the news, there are jobs that are coming to the area, and we're still going to see those people coming in. Prices, so over the past 2 years, I think prices went up 24%. That's a lot. The economists expect this next year, maybe 6 to 12%. So, but again, folks in California and Chicago, they're like, that's a deal.
Right.
It's cash.
They're selling their homes there and coming here and buying a bigger home or more property for what they're selling their home for there.
We still have that. So local buyers are still competing with out-of-state buyers, but it's just not as crazy. But as you said, who knows what the future holds with COVID and the economy? I mean, that's still the unknown. And if the economy does continue to suffer with this new COVID variant, we could see inflation. And if that happens, you're going to see interest rates rise, which right now interest rates are still low, which means it's still a great time to buy. So I would say go ahead and buy now sooner than later before maybe we do see this interest rate.
So we are looking at that crystal ball just a little bit. And she's telling you right now, if you're going to pull the trigger on buying a new home, right now may be the prime time to do it.
I think so, for sure. A lot of people have also slowed down because maybe they got to where they wanted to be for the school year. But, not everybody has kids, so that's not a factor for everyone. So right now is still a great time to buy.
Evans & Evans has homes to show.
We do.
And we're going to be showing you this one right here behind us coming up in just a few moments on our second segment coming up on Daytime Tri-Cities. It is Real Estate Today by Evans & Evans Real Estate.
The preceding portion of Daytime Tri-Cities was sponsored by Evans & Evans Real Estate.